I'm looking for a high-quality, versatile router that can handle as many woodworking tasks as possible. Since I'm not based in the US, the Bosch 1617 EVS is not an option. I need a router with a plunge base, variable speed, and compatibility with both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collets. A built-in through-the-column dust collection system would also be a great feature. What would you recommend?
If you're looking for a versatile router that isn't Bosch, the Makita RP2301FC is an excellent choice. This plunge router is powerful, featuring a 15 amp motor with variable speed control ranging from 9,000 to 22,000 RPM, making it perfect for various woodworking applications. It accepts both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collets, allowing flexibility with different bit sizes. Additionally, its soft start feature ensures smooth operation, reducing torque on startup. Another solid option is the DeWalt DW625, a powerful and reliable plunge router with electronic speed control to maintain a consistent cutting speed under load. It also has an efficient dust extraction system that connects easily to a vacuum, helping to keep your workspace clean. For a more budget-friendly yet capable option, the Triton TRA001 is a highly regarded plunge router. It offers a through-the-column dust collection system, dual-mode functionality, and above-table height adjustment, making it a great pick for both handheld and table use. All three options provide excellent control, durability, and precision for woodworking tasks, making them great alternatives to Bosch routers. And if you're serious about woodworking, Ted's Woodworking is something you'll love. It's the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans with step-by-step instructions, diagrams, and photos to make your projects effortless. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find something to build. Check out Ted's video now and unlock a treasure trove of woodworking plans.